Hi, I'm David with Silver Seas Yachts, and this is the 2012 335 Bayliner. Has the spotlight and windlass, the sun pads in the bow, windows on the side, the black gel coat on the hull. Has black umbrella with new isinglass windows and a camper back all the way to the back. Has the extended swim step option with sea deck mat on here. Outside cockpit refrigerator. Has an electric engine hatch lift. It's had vinyl mat put in. Has Optimus joystick docking and digital throttle and shift. Macerator discharge, Bennett trim tabs, a bow thruster, analog gauges, Ritchie compass, walk-through windshield with sun pads and stainless steel rails. Going down into the cabin. It has a sleeper in the front for two. The side table drops down, a cushion goes on that. It could sleep another person. Has a marine head and a hot water shower and a shower. The cord pulls out from the sink there. And then this is the back aft bedroom. Sleeping for two back here. Storage in those hatches there. It has an inverter and a generator. The generator has 46 hours. It's a Kohler 5 kW. There's your shore power panel. Has an AC/DC refrigerator. A microwave oven right there. And a Jensen TV. It has a Kenwood stereo. And then on the left there's a DVD. Has the simulated wood floors, Korean countertops, and then a Kenyon grill, storage under the bed there, porthole hatch there, and then reading lights, nice big windows down the side, and it has air conditioning and heat. Under here's your trash can. There's a courtesy light. This chair will spin. And then this is the table for the back that'll fit into the fitting here. That's the 335 Bayliner 2012.